Namaskar. Welcome to PK Simply GST and the Institute of GST Professionals of India. I am PK Singh, GST author, speaker, and practitioner. Accounting is a major part of our business system, and specifically, I'm going to talk about the GST. So, if you don't know to do the proper GST accounting, then you are going to face a lot of consequences. If you will receive the any so-called notice from the GST department. Finally, you have to check your returns, then you have to reconcile, and while reconciliation, you have to again go to the books of accounts, and then you are finding a lot of problems, a lot of things. Maybe you are not entered, maybe you have not passed the proper entries. Most of the cases, we realize that accounting is not proper. So accounting is not proper. So if your base things, important things is not proper, then definitely rest of the things, some issue will be there, some problems will be there. Particularly the unorganized sectors, they are first filing the GST returns and then they are doing the accounting. So definitely the mismatch will be there. Even the accounting also, they don't know how to pass proper entries. So now my target is that we are going to learn GST accounting. GST accounting. Each and every entries we learned part wise. I am going to release the videos and we learn about the GST accounting, and then we have to go that based on that how you are going to report through the various returns. So, as you may aware about that Section 35 provision of the CGST Act, that the government is asking that you have to prepare the proper books of accounts and keep the records and all the registers of even, true and correct. The word they use, true and correct. You have to keep your all the production and manufacturing of goods registers, all the inward supplies from various suppliers you are purchase taking the input, buying inward supply either the goods or services, and you have to maintain the proper stocks of goods register. You have to maintain all your input tax credit availed or utilized. You have to pass the entries. Whatever your output tax payable will be there and paid, you have to pass the entry, and all other things prescribed under rule 56 of the CGST rules. Also have to comply. If you are the exporters, then you have to maintain all the exports invoices, everything you have to maintain, bill of entries and things you have to maintain properly. That's tax invoices and debit notes, credit notes, whatever you may be issued. So even the advance receipts, vouchers, and advance payments vouchers and refund vouchers, all these things we have to maintain, and we have to do proper accounting, and this is missing that. So friends, don't forget to watch our various videos related to GST accounting, and then we are going to start the series of the GST law and procedures, and we are going to we are going to talk about the various GST returns and forms, how to fill and file. Thank you. Namaskar.